Sometimes when we try to define who we are, when we try to decide how we should feel about ourselves, we look to our lives to explain who we are. And it's really important to separate yourself. There's you, and then there's your life. You are 100% worthy. You are 100% lovable, and you are 100% capable. It doesn't matter what your results are. It doesn't matter how many times you were abused. It doesn't matter what anyone told you when you were a child. It doesn't matter what your husband or wife is telling you now. You can't argue with the 100% worthiness that is you. It is by default. Nothing you have done or will ever do will take away from that.